Hi, it's Rob from eli-chem. Today we're going to have a look at FastPatch 321. It's ideal for repairing old asphalt or concrete, such as this piece of damage here. It is a fibre reinforced concrete mix, very easy, 3 parts powder to 1 part water. I'm going to start by clearing out the hole. Okay, so the hole is now nicely cleaned and ready to mix and pour the FastPatch 321. As you open the lid, find a bag of the cement fibre reinforced powder inside. I have a supply of water, I have the application trowel, electric mixing blade to whisk it up. So 3 parts powder to 1 part water. So I'm going to start off by putting the water into the mixing container. Okay, so I've got 2 cupfuls of the water, 6 of the powder. This is the last one going in now. Now I'm just going to whisk it up, make sure it's properly mixed, and then pour it straight into the hole. Okay, so make sure that you work the drill around the bottom and the sides, and once it's at a lump-free consistency, it'll be ready to pour. I'm just going to give it one more blast around the sides and then decant it into the hole. Okay, another great thing about this product, it can go onto a damp surface, so you don't need to make sure that the surface is absolutely dry. As you can see, it's very self-leveling, finds all the low spots, evens itself out. This cures very quickly, it's fibre reinforced, can bring the area back into full vehicle traffic within 2 to 4 hours. For an area like this, what I normally like to do is square off the edges, as long as I've got some excess. So I'll put some excess on here. Okay, so just to quickly recap, with a FastPatch 321, you get a 10 kilogram unit of the cement powder. The extra tools that you'll need is an electric drill and a mixing blade, and a float just to help it on its way. It's very self-leveling, but as I finish this one today, I've left a few ridges in there. So as it's drying off now, all I need to do is put a little bit more water on the surface. I can just smooth it off. There you go, very easy job. Taken me 10 minutes at most, and it'll be ready to bring the area back into use within 2 to 4 hours. So that's the area back into use, suitable for application between feather edge to 4 inches. Job done.